India have taken a retaliatory measure against Pakistan. As you all know, we can assume that Pakistan sponsored this terror attack. India wanted to give a big lesson. Definitely, we hope that India should give a big lesson, very big lesson to Pakistan. And yesterday, Cabinet Committee on Security, CCS, the Cabinet Committee on Security have taken 5 important key decisions with respect to Pakistan on April 23rd. The most important decision, Indus Water Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect. Indus Water Treaty 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjuges its support for cross-border terrorism. The second important point, the integrated checkpost Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that route before 1st May 2025. The third important decision, Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme. The fourth important decision, the defense, military, naval and air advisors in the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave from India. India will be withdrawing its own defense, navy and air advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. These posts in the respective high commissions are deemed to be annulled. Strong decisions against Pakistan. Indus Water Treaty 1960 will be kept in abeyance with immediate effect. You all know, Indus is a lifeline for Pakistan. Indus, Chenab, Jhelum were given to Pakistan, and Pakistan farmers, Pakistan common man definitely will face the heat. Indus Water Treaty was brokered by World Bank between India and Pakistan, and this treaty is, from the last few years, India is discussing about this treaty. Now, India completely put that treaty in abeyance. This is the first important step India have taken. And integrated checkpost at Atari will be closed. Integrated checkpost at Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under SARC visa exemption scheme. The most important thing, the defense, military, naval, air advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared as persona non grata. According to Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, declaration of persona non grata means you won't enjoy diplomatic privileges anymore. You will be treated as an ordinary foreigner. All diplomatic immunities and privileges will be suspended for you. And India will be withdrawing its own defense, navy and air advisors from the High Commission in the Islamabad. So, these are the important decisions taken by the Cabinet Committee on Security after reviewing the overall security situation and directed all forces to maintain high vigilance. These are the important things. And in this water treaty, though it looks like we are weaponizing the water, but still, it's a very, very small step which we have taken against Pakistan. That too, according to me, it's a delayed step. It would have been done long back.